How do you make transitions in VideoStar? Hello VideoStar users, I'm Nerea and I'll be your teacher in this course of VideoStar School. We're going to start looking at the transitions you can find in the clip mixer. You're going to learn how to make the page crawl transition as well as the disintegrate one. Then you'll learn everything about keyframes from scratch, what they are, how to use them in transitions, and more. After that, we're going to discuss custom graphs and make basic transitions. Specifically, we're going to create slides, spins, zooms, and flips. There will be an assignment at the end of the course to put what you learned into practice, which we'll be checking out. When finished with this course, you'll be able to make basic transitions in VideoStar using Clip Mixer and Multilayer.